Today we are going to do the Telehistoria. This is from page 118 and 119. We're also going to be completing activities 10, 11, and 12. So in this Telehistoria, as you can see here is the script, okay? And her friend Claudia are talking about different things, about how they feel about different things about school. Like before, we talk about the verb estar. The verb estar expresses location, where you're located, and also expresses feelings on how you are feeling at that moment, or opinions about things. Okay. So before I move on to do the activities with you guys, let's look at the Telehistoria. Gonna give it a little bit of a few minutes, because the connection today is super slow. All these loads, just know that estar is when you say I am, you say yo estoy. I am tired, yo estoy cansado. I am sad, yo estoy triste. I am happy, yo estoy feliz. So those are some of the expressions. You also use it to express where you're located. Estoy en la escuela. Let's watch the video.
Pablo, ¿qué pasa? ¿Estás deprimido?
No,
¿Estás enojado?
no estoy enojado. Estoy nervioso, preocupado. Tengo que estar en el gimnasio a las 5. Pero tengo que hacer la tarea. Estoy triste. Nunca descanso. Me gusta pasar un tiempo con los amigos. ¿Y esa mochila?
¿Qué pasa?
Aquí tengo libros, cuadernos, plumas, calculadoras. Estoy cansado. ¿Dónde está mi mochila?
¡Dame tu mochila!
¿Dónde?
¡Ahí!
Okay. So I'm sorry about the internet. The internet is really bad today here at school. I'm not sure if you guys are having the same problems. But let's read the script together, so you guys have a better understanding what's happening, what's going on here. If I can find my cursor, if my cursor decides to work for me. Okay, here we go. Says Claudia says, hey Pablo, ¿qué pasa? ¿Estás deprimido? ¿Estás enojado? ¿Estás deprimido? When you ask a question, you put the verb before. ¿Estás deprimido? Are you depressed? ¿Estás enojado? Are you upset? Pablo responds, no, no estoy enojado. I'm not upset. Estoy nervioso. I am nervous. Tengo que estar en el gimnasio. I have to be. Notice here the expression tengo, the first verb gets changed, conjugated. What happens to the second verb? It's nothing. It remains in its original form. Tengo que estar, I have to be en el gimnasio, in the gym, a las 5. Pero tengo, but I have to hacer la tarea. I have to do my homework. So Pablo also says to I, Claudia, nunca descanso. I never rest. Me gusta pasar un rato con los amigos. I like to spend time with friends. Y esta mochila, and this backpack. Notice here, esta is not used as the verb, but is used as a demonstrative adjective to say this. Okay? Esta mochila, this backpack. And Claudia asks, ¿Qué pasa? What happened? What's going on? And he says, aquí tengo libros, cuadernos, plumas, calculadoras. Estoy cansado. Here I have books, notebooks, pens, calculators. I am tired. I guess you guys relate to him, right? We all do. Okay, ¿dónde está mi mochila? Where is my mochila, my backpack? Notice here, está. Where is it located? Pablo, tu mochila. Pablo, where is your backpack? So this is the conversation that is going on. Just know that the verb estar is used to express things how you feel and also to express where things are located. Okay, that's the verb estar. Then you're gonna go to the next page. That would be in page 119. Okay, let me see if I can get to it. The internet again is really slow. Oh, where did it go? Appears and disappears. In page 119, activity 10, what you're going to do, you're going to look at the script and make the corrections, okay? There's some words that are, some sentences that are correct and some sentences that are not correct. So you just have to restate by using the statement and making it true based on the script, based on what was said in the video. Okay, let's see if this thing decides to do it. Okay, here we go. Now we're in the next page. So here it says Claudia y Pablo están en la cafetería. Answer if that is correct. ¿Correcto, cierto o falso? Están en la cafetería. Falso. Where are they? ¿Dónde están? Now you use the verb. Están en la biblioteca. Good job. 10 points to you. Pablo está nervioso porque tiene que jugar al fútbol. Is that true or false? It's true? It's true? You guys think it's true? Okay, I think it's correct. So you just rewrite it, right? Número 3. Claudia, by the way, 10 puntos para ti. Abby, you write 10 points, okay? Claudia tiene que estar en el gimnasio a las 5. Número 3. Claudia. Falso, true. What do you guys think? Claudia tiene que estar en el gimnasio a las 5. False. Right? Who is the one that has to be in the gym at 5 o'clock? Pablo, correct. 10 points to you. Número 4. Pablo, upset, angry, right? Pablo está enojado. Is this true or false? False. What is he? Nervioso. He's nervous, right? Correct. 10 points to you. Claudia y Pablo le gusta pasar un rato con los amigos. ¿Cierto o falso? True. Pablo está deprimido porque tiene libros, cuadernos, plumas, calculadoras en la mochila. Cierto. True. Very good. So that's what you got to do. You just click on the question and make sure that you guys rewrite the whole sentence in the if they are accurate sentences, of course. Now, activity 11, what do you have to do here? You just got to create a mini conversation. So, in other words, create a mini conversation between two students, right? And says, cuando estás triste, estoy triste cuando saco una mala nota. Okay, so here you're asking, when are you sad? When are you nervous? When are you happy? When are you nervous? When are you upset? So these are feelings, right? And student B would use any of these answers. So in other words, you go from the you form, estás, to the yo form, estoy. Okay. When I'm sad, I get sad when I get a bad grade. Okay. ¿Estás feliz? ¿Cuándo estás feliz? ¿Cuándo estás feliz? When are you happy? I would say, estoy feliz cuando escucho música. So you use all of these right here to complete activity 11. And finally, activity 12. In activity 12, you are in a various parts of different places in school. So you're going to give clues to other people where you are. Now, the verb estar is used to provide location, right? So in activity 12, right here at the bottom of the page, on page 119, what you have to do is that, okay? Give clues for other people, other students, to guess where you are. So look at this one, look at the sentence right here. Just give me one, okay? Don't rewrite the same one. Compro papas fritas y jugo. Paso un rato con los amigos. Estoy tranquilo. I bypass time. I spend time with friends. I am calm. And the other person would say, estás en la cafetería. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Pick at least 3 places, okay? One that gives the clues and the other one that answers the question. All right? So, remember, biblioteca is library, gimnasio is gym, la clase de español, la clase de inglés, la clase de ciencias. Just remember, the verb estar provides location and also feelings, how you feel. Okay? So that's what we are doing today. Also, with that in mind, make sure that you complete the essential questions for this lesson. Let's see if I'm able to get to the essential. Remember, today is one of those days when it's so slow. So the essential questions are, how do you say in Spanish, Claudia and Pablo are in the office? How do you say Pablo is nervous because he has to play soccer? Número 3, how do you say Claudia has to be in the gym by 5 o'clock? Número 4, how do you say is Pablo upset? Número 5, how do you say they like to spend time with friends? Número 6, how do you say in Spanish he is depressed because he has too many books to read? Número 7, how do you say I am sad when I get a bad grade? And número 8, ¿cómo se dice I am upset when I work too much? And número 9, how do you say I am happy when I listen to music? And number 10, how do you say I am tired when I study all day? All of these sentences require for you to use the verb estar. Okay? Remember, some of them are for location and the other ones are for feelings and opinions. All right? So this is what we're doing today. I'm right here. If you need help, I can help you out. Just remember that the link, the Zoom link that you were using before is no longer available. The new link is now in Google Classroom and also on Focus. All right, I'll talk to you later.